Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the latest offering from Nokia in India under the budget segment, the Nokia 5.1 Plus. So the Nokia 5.1 Plus is also known as the Nokia X5 in China, and this device comes with pretty good specifications for the price segment it is being offered. And this is again an Android 1 smartphone, and this runs on the latest Android 8.1 Oreo, and this has quite good specification, and it also comes with a notch display. So let's get started with unboxing. So this is the box pack. You can see the Nokia 5.1 Plus, and this is the retail box pack for India. And you can see the specification Android Oreo. We have 5.8 inches HD plus resolution display. It's a 19:9 aspect ratio, dual camera, 13 and 5 megapixel dual camera, and 8 megapixel front camera, and advanced AI imaging is included. And there is also dual sight mode. You can take photos using the front and rear camera simultaneously on this device. So this device again comes with the glass finishing on the front and back, and this looks quite good in terms of the design as well. Now the pricing of the device is not yet known at the time of unboxing. The box mentions the price as 13,199, so 13,200. So expect it around 11,999. That's the pricing we expect for this device, so that should be quite good enough. So the pricing will be announced in a couple of days time, and this is the Nokia 5.1 Plus. So let's get started with unboxing. We'll talk about the other hardware and specifications while we unbox the device. So let's just open the box and see the device. So there you go. Let's just take this out. So on the top you can see the Nokia 5.1 Plus. So let's just take this out of this plastic case. So that's it. So that's the Nokia 5.1 Plus. So you can see that it looks really good in terms of the build quality. It's made of glass. We have the dual camera setup, the dual LED flash, the fingerprint scanner, and the Nokia branding below it, and Android 1 logo is also there. We have the power and volume keys on the right side on this device. The left side houses the SIM tray, and the top panel has the 3.5mm audio jack, and the bottom panel has the USB Type-C port and the speaker unit. So remember, this is Type-C, and probably one of the few devices in this budget segment offering Type-C port at this price segment. So that's the device. So it looks really good, and it has 5.84 inches screen size with a notch display. So let's boot the device. In the meantime, let's see what else comes inside the box. You can see there is a SIM ejector pin, and there is some user guide and other information provided. So you can see getting started guide, product and safety guide. Then we have the adapter. So adapter voltage rating is 5 volt 2 ampere, so that's pretty basic charging. And then we have a basic earphones also shipped. This is pretty basic earphones. And then we also have the USB Type-C cable included. So that's all inside the box. Now let's have a look at the device. So that's the Nokia 5.1 Plus with 5.84 inches of HD plus resolution display, and we have the notch display included here, and the display screen resolution is 1520 by 720p, 19:9 aspect ratio. And looking at the software, this device has the Android Oreo out of the box. You can see that no other apps included other than the stock Android apps. So let's go to the settings, and you can see the stock UI. Let's go to system settings, about phone, and the patch level is from July, and Android version is Android 8.1 Oreo. So other than that, there are no other options included. It's a pretty basic and stock UI, and this device is powered by the Helio P60 octa-core chipset. That's one of the really powerful chipsets, and it is almost closer to the Snapdragon 660 in terms of performance, and we have seen this on a few other smartphones, including the Realme 1, Oppo F7, and even the Oppo F9 Pro has this. So we have 32GB storage, and out of which around 22.31 GB is available, and that's the storage available on this device. The device also comes with 3GB RAM in India. So that's the UI and the software features. So Helio P60 is one of the good chipsets available in this price segment. So it is a really powerful chipset and comparable to the Snapdragon 660. Now talking about the camera, so we have a 13 and 5 megapixel camera combination on this device, and we have the regular set of options included, which we have seen on the Nokia 6.1 Plus as well. So there is portrait mode, bokeh mode, and let's go to the video recording. So that's where we just have to look at what is the resolution available. So let's just take this to the video recording. So settings, and resolution. So video from the rear camera is 1080p resolution, and the front camera is limited to 720p. So that's the options available. So here are some of the camera samples we have taken with this device after unboxing the device. So we'll also be talking about the camera in detail in our camera review, so stay tuned for that. So these are some samples we have taken after we did the unboxing. This device also comes with 3060 mAh capacity battery, and while the battery capacity is slightly on the lower side, it should be quite good enough because it's a 5.8 inches HD plus resolution display and not a full HD, so it should be quite good enough for a day of usage. We'll also be testing the battery life in detail when we do the review. So that was unboxing and hands-on with the Nokia 5.1 Plus. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.